again to my YouTube channel. So guys, for today's video I am going to do a organization video of my study areas, and guys, without any further ado, let's begin. So here is my table and here is it is slight messy here. तो अभी ये सब आइटम मैं यहाँ से हटा के अपने बेड पे रख दूँगी, इधर मैं अपने स्टडी रैक पे रख दूँगी एंड इट विल बी क्लीन. एंड दिस चार्ट पेपर आई विल ऑल्सो रिमूव. इट इज़ माई SST प्रोजेक्ट, तो इसको मैं हटा दूँगी. देन आई विल डू द डेकोरेशन, देन आई विल पेस्ट इट. सो या, डू इट. And yeah guys, I have got a new haircut. If you like my haircut, so please do comment and tell me how it is looking on me. So yeah, let's start our organization. All the things from my table, and firstly I am doing the organization of my table, and after that I will do the organization of my study rack. Yeah, here. So yeah, let's do. So firstly I will decorate my table and I will add some things which I will show you, and after that I will keep something on my table as this table is small as my big. अभी तो मैं इसको decorate करती हूँ. So yeah guys, let's do. Here I have made the timetable of my here is the timetable of my my daily routine. So I will paste this here, and so yeah guys, here I have added my timetable. I think आपको clearly दिख जाएगा. Let I show you. So here it is, and I have pasted it. Yeah, and here is my thing. Here I am pasting my solar system chart paper as it is looking very beautiful on my table. So I have pasted here. So guys, I have pasted here like this, and now I will decorate my table this. So here I have taken a pen. Here I have taken a pen stand, and I am keeping my pens like dot pen, gel pen and sketches and scissors. These all things I am keeping here, and yeah, and I will keep this in the left corner of my table. And now as I need headphone on my daily basis, so I will take its wire and data cable, and I will keep it in a small case like this, and I am keeping the wire as I need this on my daily basis. So if it will be on my table, so it will be good, so I will get it daily very easily. So now I have keeping my most at all. I think that the organization of my table is done because I have pasted some of the things here. Here is the main thing, pen stand, here wire, and this. And other things like my stationaries, book are on my study rack, so I doesn't need to do more things on this table. And you are thinking, मुझे लग रहा है कि शायद आप सोचो कि मैं पेन बोर्ड क्यों नहीं रख रही हूँ. So I will tell you two methods for the pen board which you can use in the after the organization of my study rack. So yeah, now my study table organization is done, and now I am going to do the organization of my study rack. So guys, let's begin. I have removed all the things from my study area, study rack area तब से निकल रहा है. So मैंने अपनी books सारी first level से हटा दी हैं, और here is all my books. So अभी मैं यहाँ पे अच्छे से अपनी सारी books लगाऊंगी, and I will tell you that how I am keeping my books. मैं अपनी books कैसे रख रही हूँ, and then after that I will clean out the drawers. So guys, firstly I am separating my dictionaries from here. So I have this dictionary and this. So I am having 3 dictionaries, so I am separating it there. Then here are my school notebooks, and ये rough notebooks में कहाँ आ गई. So here is my school notebook. So अभी इसको मैं अच्छे से height wise लगा ले रही हूँ. So here is my registers, and here are my notebooks. Here is all the notebooks, Ouch. Here I keep it, and yeah, and I keep my books and notebooks separately, so it is easy to find that, and it also look मतलब ये अच्छा भी लगता है जब मैं अपनी रैक पे रखती हूँ, like small size to the bigger size. तो ये है मेरी बुक्स. इसमें मेरी कुछ बुक्स हैं जो अनकवर्ड है और मुझे अभी so here I have done with the dictionaries, my school notebooks and my books. Here's my books, and here is the desk. And now here are some books of Hindi in which I am having the like कुछ in this I am having विलोम शब्द like जो नहीं होते, इसमें बहुत सारे हैं विलोम शब्द पर्यायवाची. And here is a social studies book, and I love social study, that's why I have kept it. Here is a Sanskrit book which I have buy this last year, and here one story book of Hindi, and here is the drawing notebook of my school. So some books I have buy on my own, so I have keep it also here because in these days I am studying from this when I am free. And here is the main thing, folders. So I have like I love to do drawings, paintings, that things, and I have been white pages. मेरे पास बहुत सारे white pages हैं, some crafty pages and something more. So let's I keep all the things equally. So here. So I will see you guys after I will done the folder work. Folder work is done. मैं दिखाऊँ जो तक फाइल रखा है ये इतना सब कुछ है, मतलब कितनी सारी चीज़ें. तो अभी मैं इन सबको अच्छे से क्लीन कर देती हूँ और फिर मैं आपको मिलती हूँ. So now I am going to organize all the things on my study rack. So firstly I am keeping my all the folders like these all, and here is my painting folder. So folder is done. Now I will keep my books because I am keeping all the things height wise जो कि अच्छी लगती हैं. तो ये वो वाली बुक्स हैं जो मैं मतलब खुद ही कभी कदार पढ़ती हूँ. Which these books are for knowledge. Then my school books are here, and now here I am going to keep my drawing notebook, and after that here I am keeping the registers of maths register, and here are my notebooks. So here we done. So guys, my first level is done. यहाँ पे मैंने अपनी फर्स्टली मैंने सारे फोल्डर्स रखे हैं, देन माई बुक्स, देन माई नोटबुक्स, और यहाँ पे डिक्शनरी है. ये सारी हैवी हैं, इस वजह से नोटबुक्स गिरेंगी नहीं. तो अभी आते हैं हम लोग ड्रॉर पे, और ड्रॉर्स में फर्स्टली इस ड्रॉर पे हम लोग करते हैं. तो इसमें तो मेरी सारी मतलब नोटबुक्स हैं जो कि नॉट यूज्ड हैं, लाइक सम टेक्स्ट नोटबुक्स जो इस साल मिली थी, टेस्ट नोटबुक्स हैं, और कुछ लास्ट ईयर की मेरी थी लेफ्ट, तो मैंने वो सब इसमें रख दिए हैं. आउच. तो इसमें थोड़ी चीज़ें मेरी पहले से ही ऑर्गेनाइज्ड हैं. क्या मेरा तो पहले से मेरी कुछ चीज़ें यहाँ पे ऑर्गेनाइज है. तो अभी हम लोग इस वाली ड्रॉर को क्लीन करेंगे. लेट्स क्लीन दिस एरिया. टाडा. तो अभी इसमें देख रही हूँ मैं कि कौन से पेजेस यूज़फुल हैं और कौन से नहीं. तो जो यूज़फुल नहीं होंगे उनको मैं अलग रख दूँगी. So let I clean this and I will see you afterwards. So now I am keeping this pad in it. Here, one is my exam pad and one is my drawing pad. Here are some files which I need sometimes, like मेरा इसमें कुछ ऐसे मैं प्ले करती हूँ, उसके पेजेस रहते हैं, और मैं ऐसे कुछ मतलब लिखा करती हूँ, वो है, तो मैं उसको भी इसी में रख रही हूँ. Then here I have some kinds of notebook, like these are my rough. In this I have solved math, and now it is in a rough notebook because I know all the things, so that I will keep in a rough. Then this is an empty notebook, then I can use it for a rough, and this is my journal notebook. So these notebook I will also keep it here, and this notebook I will be using for something. मैं इसको कुछ किसी चीज़ के लिए यूज़ करूँगी. So अभी मैं यहाँ पे रख दे रही हूँ, और अभी यहाँ पे कुछ एक्स्ट्रा पेजेस हैं और मेरा मैप पे, तो वो मैं फोल्डर में रख दूँगी. And here are my scales, so I will keep my scales in my pen stand. And here's the box of my headphones, so I will also keep this box in that drawer. So now I have to do the organization of these two drawers. So yeah, without wasting much time, let's I also do this. In this box I have keep my all the painting things or drawing things you can say. So इसमें से कुछ चीज़ें मैंने अभी बाहर निकाली तो मैं देखो. So this box is ready and I keep it here. I have some brush here and this I have made with my sister, the cute Naisha. And this is my oil pastel kit. And here are my wax crowns. So the things of my art is done. And this drawer is known as art drawer. And this drawer is known as pen pencil drawer. This I have kept my erasers, geometry box, pencils, pen and extra bodies of the pen or some useful pens. So वही है सब. So let's I keep all the things inside the drawer and then I will meet you after that. So my organization is done and I am going to give you a short tour. So here is a solar system chart paper, my timetable. You can take a screenshot of it. Now here is my pen stand, my box in which I have given wires, eraser sharpener, headphone, paperweight and a Vaseline. Of course it is a winter time. So the organization of my table is very nice. I am loving it. And now I give you a tour of my study rack. So here are folders, books, notebooks and some things more. And here is a box in which I have given the most important things which we ever lost, like glue, whiteners, sellotapes, and here I am. And here are the stapler pens, stapler, glue, and these all things I have kept it here. And here are my dictionaries, and in this drawer I have kept my notebooks which I haven't used, and these are fair. Like this year I have got many of the text notebooks, but this year we haven't used this. And in this drawer I have kept my all the art things like colors, crayons, paint color. These are all the things I have kept it here. My oil pastel also. And in this drawer I have kept the important things like my headphone box, my table chart and pad and extra notebooks. And in this drawer I have kept my boxes and other things like pen, erasers. And I have applied a method that I have kept a big box and I have kept all the things in that. Like I have separated the drawing things and I have separated the pen pencil things, and here is the whole makeup. That you can take a pen board or a board like a thermocol, you can take and cover it with a chart paper. I am not going to do that, I am just telling you orally. So you can take a thermocol and cover it with a chart paper and then you can use that a pen board. So this was the first method, and the second method we all can do this. So yeah, let's I tell you. So for the second method we need a rough notebook. So here I have taken a rough notebook. Oops. So I will firstly decorate this page like writing my rough notebook or anything else. But आप सोचोगे कि ये रफ नोटबुक है कि पेन बोर्ड. सो इट इज़ वर्क एज अ रफ नोटबुक. मतलब ये आप इसको अपना एक स्टडी प्लानर जैसे नोटबुक बना सकते हो. सो like I will decorate this page, I will write the name or anything else. Then I will daily do my work like to-do list or my date sheet I will make, or some rules which I wanted to make. So I will do that here. So ये two methods थे. You can use मतलब आप thermocol use कर सकते हो, either you can use a notebook. So both options are optional which you can use. So guys, I hope you all like this method. आई होप यू ऑल लाइक दिस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, और अगर आपको ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशन अच्छा लगा तो इस वीडियो को लाइक करो, मेरे चैनल द आर्या शो को सब्सक्राइब करो, और हाँ, वी आर वेरी क्लोज टू 100 सब्सक्राइबर्स, सो प्लीज़ हेल्प मी। और अपने सारे फ्रेंड्स को ये वीडियो शेयर करो, सबसे कहो कि मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, एंड देन वी विल बी 100 फ्रेंड्स फैमिली। और अगर आपको मेरे ये मेथड्स अच्छे लगे हो पिन बोर्ड का, और जो कि यू कैन यूज़ विद अ थर्माकोल और रफ नोटबुक, और अगर आपको अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक करो वीडियो को, कमेंट करके बताओ कि आपको और क्या वीडियोस चाहिए। और हाँ, आप मुझसे क्वेश्चंस भी पूछते रहो, क्योंकि मैं जब मेरे पास बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन हो जाएंगे तो आई विल मेक अ क्वेश्चन आंसर पार्ट 2। सो गाइस, विदाउट एनी फर्दर डू, मैंने तो स्टार्टिंग का डायलॉग बोल दिया। सो गाइस, अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो इसको लाइक करो, सब्सक्राइब करो, कमेंट करो। सो गाइस, तब तक के लिए टेक केयर एंड बाय बाय। मैं मिलती हूँ आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। बाय।